Hi there. Oh, look at the swanky car coming from there. It looks so sleek and stylish. But it is the grand bright windscreen that's catching my attention. This shape of the windscreen reminds me of the trapezium. Now that we have mentioned trapezium, let's quickly understand the properties of a trapezium. In a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. If the other two sides of a trapezium are to be observed, they are non-parallel. When the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, such a trapezium is called an isosceles trapezium. Let us now see the diagonals AC and BD of the trapezium. Oh, the diagonals AC and BD overlap each other completely. This means that the diagonals of an isosceles trapezium are equal. Also, both the angles of the isosceles trapezium are equal. In order to prove the base angles are equal, we can prove the triangles DAB and triangle CAB congruent, as it will allow us to call the angles equal, since they will be corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Sides AD and BC are equal, since they are sides of an isosceles trapezium. We know that AB is the common side in both triangles, DAB and CBA. Diagonals DB and AC are also equal because the diagonals of an isosceles trapezium are equal. Thus, triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA by side-side-side congruence criteria. And hence, its corresponding angles, angle DAB and angle CBA, will also be equal as they are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now, what do you think about the other two angles? Will angle ADC be equal to angle BCD? Let's prove it and confirm. If we look carefully, angle DAB and angle ADC are forming co-interior angles. We know that the sum of co-interior angles is always equal to 180 degrees. Look, we have another pair of co-interior angles, that is angle ABC and angle BCD, the sum of which will also be equal to 180 degrees. And from the previous proof, we know that the base angles of an isosceles trapezium are equal. Therefore, angle DAB and angle CBA are equal. Hence, angle ADC and angle BCD are also equal, since these angles are supplements of congruent angles. That was a lot of mathematical information. It's time to go back to our car and check out its interiors and jazzy functions. See you next time.